Hello, Bacha Bati. Welcome to another lecture of Science, Physics, chapter number 8, Motion. So, in the previous lecture, what we had studied? Let's recall. In the previous lecture, we had studied many more things like a physical quantity. About that, there is a scalar and the vector quantity, even the displacement, distance, velocity, speed, acceleration, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, graphical method, and now we are going to start that equation of a motion with the graphical method, that 1 and 2, first and second motion of equation that we had already completed. If you had not seen the video, go in the playlist and watch the video. Now we are going to start the equation of position velocity relation, that also be known as the third equation of a motion. Clear? So today we are going to start the derivation of that equation. Clear? So be careful about that. When you write the equation, first of all, what you have to do? You have to just describe the figure. Clear? So in the previous lecture, I had not given you these things, because at the final, I think that at the final point I will give you and discuss this about it, so you can write it by yourself also. Clear? हमें हमेशा describe करना पड़ेगा figure को. After that we can write the things, or we can derive the things. And describe is easy, आप अपने language में भी कर सकते हो, but be careful that you have to use the scientific language, even that the English become correct. Yeah. So look at here. Here is the figure of the, or we can say the graph of velocity versus time. Clear? And the object is moving from A to B, means it can cover the distance from A to B. Clear? Now we want to find the particularly equation. Clear? So our equation is for what? Position versus velocity. Clear? So for finding the position means what? This means position means the distance, or we can say the displacement. And from the graph, if you want to find the distance or the displacement, means what? Yes, bacha bati. The graph under the region covered by the area. Clear? Means what? यहाँ से ये आपने कर लिया, ये जितना भी पोर्शन होगा ना, this all the portion, the area of this portion is known as what? Displacement. Yeah, this thing is the displacement, or we can say the distance. There is a minute difference, like a scalar and the vector, nothing else. Means the simple difference is the direction. Clear? So first of all, we have to just describe that what is the figure. So as shown in graph, velocity is shown in velocity time graph. As shown in velocity time graph, and object covered distance s with the initial velocity u and final velocity v with acceleration a at time t respectively. Clear? This is a description of the graph, that From the graph, which graph is that? Velocity time graph. Clear? From the graph, the object travel distance s, means from A to B, they travel the distance s. Clear? With the initial velocity, what we say, it's a u, and the final velocity we can say it's a v. Clear? Now, even that when the velocity is changed, and we know very well that when the velocity is changed, acceleration is reduced. So acceleration is a at a time t. Clear? So it covers time what? It covers the time t. We have to indicate point also here. Clear? So for finding the particularly what position, or we can say the displacement, we just find the area. And we know very well that this is a trapezium. In the second equation also there is a trapezium, but we had used another formula, that we had just divided and make it the two part. One is a rectangle and another is a triangle. But here we are using the another formula, that the trapezium formula. Clear? So displacement equal to area of trapezium O A B C. Clear? And we know very well that area of trapezium is what? Yes, the chapati. Half is sum of parallel side multiply altitude. Clear? So half is as it is now. What is this sum? Clear? Sum of parallel side. So parallel side is what? AO and BC is there. Clear? So AO plus BC. Clear? Now multiplication altitude. Altitude means what? The distance between the two parallel side. दो पैरेलल साइड उसके बीच का जो डिस्टेंस होता है, उसके बीच की जो हाइट होती है ना, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? एल्टीट्यूड. सो हियर इज एन ओसी. क्लियर? सो ओसी. क्लियर जब आटे. नाउ what we are doing, displacement means it's the s. Clear? Now substitute OA is equals to what? Initial velocity u. So OA equals to u. Next, what we are going to? BC. Clear? BC equals to what? BC is the final velocity. It's the v. And next is OC. Is it we have OC? Yes. OC equals to T. Clear? These things we are going to substitute in the above equation. So A is equals to 1/2 multiplied, what is that? OA. It's a U plus V multiplied T. Clear? Now at the final equation, what we want actually? So we want 2AS equals to V square minus U square. Clear? So we have here S. Okay, S is completed. We want 2 also. Here is the 2. That because there is a multiplication, we can place it 2 over here. Clear? Divide में होगा, सामने की तरफ जाएगा तो multiplication होगा. Clear? So 2s मिल गया. Now what we want? A and B square minus U square. Now what we are doing? We don't want T. So what we are doing? By first equation of motion, what we are doing? Yes, V equals to U plus AT. Now we are going to subject this T. Clear? So T at equals to what? It's a v, and this u is come this side, so it's a minus. Clear? And just we want t, so it's a v minus u divided by a. Clear? Substitute the value of t in equation 1. So a is equals to what? 1/2 multiply v plus u, and t is place of v minus u divided by a. जहां जहां t दिखेगा वहां ये रख दिया. क्लियर? Now a is equals to 1 multiply anything, it's the anything. Clear? So v plus u, 1 के साथ कुछ भी मल्टीप्लाई करो वही रहेगा, v minus u divided by 2a. Clear? Now as we know that a plus b into a minus b, it's what? Yes, a square minus b square. So these both are looking like that. So these 2a's comes this side. Clear? So 2a is equals to v square minus u square. Clear? The above equation is known as, what is known as third equation of motion, or we can say the equation of position velocity. Clear? So I am here writing dot 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 because there is no space over here. So what we are doing, you can write it this one also and this one also. Clear? So both the things you can write known as equation of position velocity relation or third equation of motion. Clear? When in the exam, if the question is about the equation of position velocity relation, then you have to write over here equation of position velocity relation. And if there is asked that third equation of motion, then you have to write it here third equation of motion. Clear bachawati? Write in your note or take a screenshot. Okay, so ये अपने जो इक्वेशन अभी लिखा है, you can use it in the 11th science also, that classical physics there is. बैठे बैठा लिखो, कोई मार्क्स कट नहीं करेगा. Clear? If you are in the, any of the course, you can use it this thing. Clear? We have to clean this board properly. So wait. Okay, bacha baate. So the first, second and third motion of equation, it's very important and it's the heart of the classical physics. If you want to find the speed of the object, if you want to find the distance of the object, and if you want to find the time, acceleration, anything, object के लिए वो बहुत important thing है. Yeah? Means macroscopic world. In the macroscopic world, the three equation of a motion is most IMP and it's the heart of that classical physics. Clear? So remember this, and from the derivation you know that how the formula is came. So prepare it very well. Clear? If you are with the Sufyan Sarwar, you can understand physics better with the concept, और आपको इक्स मोहब्बत जैसी फीलिंग आएगी फिजिक्स के साथ. क्लियर? सो द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज एन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. क्लियर? यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर motion. Clear? So for the uniform circular motion, first of all discuss that on which time the velocity is going to be changed. Sir, with the use of the accelerator. Clear? आप अपने आप से चेंज कर सकते हो वेलोसिटी. ओके, With the magnitude, we can say that the velocity of the object is changed. Okay. Is it possible if we change the direction on that time the velocity is changed? Okay, let's take one example here. That suppose this is our square. Clear? Square type road we are taking here. And one of the person or one of the athletes start from this point. Clear? When he run, is it when the time of the turn they are using the same speed, constant speed? No, bacha bate. They can change their speed. Why? Because in the direction changing, if there is a change in the direction, means what? Yes, change in the velocity. Direction change karo, the velocity change hogi. You can observe it or you can do practical at your home also, that when you travel the cycle, bike or any of the vehicle, when you just change the direction, there is something increment or decrement, there is a speed. Clear? So here what? Yes, even that on this position also, this position also. Clear? Means what? How many times they had changed their speed? Yes, sir, हर एक corner पे change किया. Means what? Is the 4 time? Okay, good. Now suppose there is a hexagon. Clear? Clear? From here we start the speed. Go from this side, then change, 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 change. Means to complete the one round or to complete the full distance, or we can say the one revolution, how many times they had changed? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. If there is an octagon means what? Is a regular octagon. Means the 8 side, jitni side hogi utni बार there is a change in the velocity. Clear? Now here is our octagon. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? This is our regular octagon. From here complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So how many times they had changed their speed? Yes, 8 times. So from this figure what we had understand? With the change in the particular side, जितनी आप साइड बढ़ाते जाओगे क्या होता जाएगा? स्पीड चेंजेस होती जाएगी. Means what? If I change many more, then it's look like what? Circle. ये सर्कल की तरह हो जाएगा. Means what? If there is a circle, then is it possible to change the speed each and every second? No, bacha bhate. It is not possible. Why? Because if I increase my speed suddenly, clear, तो मैं वहां से आगे चला जाऊंगा. अगर मुझे सर्कल के अंदर घूमना है, means what? We have to use the what? Uniform speed. Means with this fixed speed we can drive in the circle. If you are making a round in your home and you are driving the cycle, तो क्या आप स्पीड में चला पाओगे? No. You are maintaining your speed. Means what? You are maintaining the uniform speed, बच्चा पाड़े. Clear? So for the circle, if you want to find the speed, clear, and we know very well that speed is equals to what? Distance upon time, बच्चा पाड़े. Clear? Where V equals to S by T. Clear? Now all the time in the distance means what? Yes, it's the perimeter. In the language of maths we can say the perimeter of a area. Clear? So here is the perimeter of area is 4L. Clear? Here is a 8L. But for finding the perimeter of this circle, so perimeter of circle is known as what? Perimeter is known as a circumference. circumference of circle. Clear? To complete the one revolution, एक revolution complete करने के लिए how many distance we have to cover? Yes, बच्चा पार्टी. So distance cover in the circumference of the circle is a, if there is a distance, or we can say the radius from the center is small r, then it's a 2 pi r. And in the question, if there is a given the value of pi, you can use it. Otherwise, use the value pi is equals to 22 by 7. Clear? Now we have to just place the value of distance in the above equation. So v is equals to 2 pi r. And why we are writing the t? T means the in the time t we had completed the one revolution. Clear? If we want to complete the 4 revolution, what we have to do? Just multiply with the 4. If we want to complete the 20, 30, 100, any of the revolution, just multiply it. Clear? This is our general form of a uniform circular motion. Clear, bacha? And we know very well that we had to complete all the theories of this chapter with the concept wise. Do not use the रट्टाफिकेशन. रट्टाफिकेशन करोगे तो फिजिक्स में फंसोगे. क्लियर? फील करो हर चीज में फिजिक्स है. You are fall in love with the physics. Clear? Now the numericals are remains. So with the use of formula, we are going to complete the numericals. Clear? So you can understand better. Clear? And I had given all the concept with the note wise. So use that note wise. Clear? Till then, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Goodbye.